Hello guys, and in this video I'm going to show you guys a really useful website which has an AI tool. So this is vidiq.com. So we're gonna go into this website, and you can see you'll find this interface right here, okay, like this homepage. So the page's name is VID IQ, and once you're inside the page, you can just go to features, and there is this tool called AI content generator. And once we go into that AI content generator, you can find this search bar like this one, and it's fairly like Google, but it's not Google. It actually creates content for you. All right, so this is called AI content generator for YouTube. Okay, streamline your video creation process. Okay, so if you want to create a video, like you want to make a video and you don't know how, you can actually get the scripts and even a voiceover if you want. So for instance, if I want to know how to use Canva, and just press enter, and you can see that they are creating me a title, description, and then keywords as well for my video, okay, and video script as well. You can see here, hey there, are you new to Canva, the design platform that helps you create all kinds of visuals? All right, so this is a very useful site for content creators. All right, and you can see here there is this voiceover here as well, which is still loading, and we got the voiceover right here. And if I play the voiceover, so these contents, they are all copyright free. You can actually just copy and paste it in your description of YouTube. And you can see here, mastering Canva, a step-by-step tutorial for beginners. So this is the whole step, and this is the whole script that you need for your video. This is the description for your description box, and you can actually use this for any type of content you want. All right, so for instance, let's ask this AI tool, AI content generator, how to get more subscribers on YouTube. You can see there they are creating all of these. This is the title, 10 surefire ways to boost your YouTube subscriber count. This is the video script that you need, and this is the description that you need, and also the keywords. Now the keywords are very, very important, because these keywords they help get your video to reach the right people. And you can see that they provided us with thumbnails as well. Okay, so we can use this thumbnail, just download it and paste it, upload it, all right, to your videos. Very easy, very, very convenient. You can just copy and paste them, no copyright issues whatsoever. So you can actually use this site. It is a very, very nice site. Okay, so if you guys want, you can use it. All right, and please follow the video how I did it, and you will just get where you want to go. Okay, so I will see you in another video. All right.